Hi everyone. I have weak forearms, and unfortunately, this had a negative impact on my grip strength in the gym during my workouts. And because I have limited time as well, I actually don't have time to work out my forearms in isolation. So I've just been on the search for something, an alternative that I can use to fit around my daily routine. And I actually come across this gyro ball. Um, it's definitely helped out quite significantly, I would say. I've been using it for about 3 months now. And it's just funny how something so small can have such an impact. And the best thing about it is I can actually fit it around my daily routine. So when I'm watching TV, like obviously you're not really doing anything, so may as well start working the wrists. During my meetings, when I'm not physically speaking or contributing in the meeting, I can just quickly get it kicked off and just working in the background. And you don't really need that long either. I mean, they suggest 1 minute. I That's what I tend to do, like 1 to 2 minutes per wrist. But yeah, just quickly looking at the features. So it's made from hard plastic, and you have this rubber grip around it, and you also have this, I guess, string to help with the grip of. Well, it helps me hold on to the ball, like it just provides extra safety because obviously there's some mechanics going on here, and it could fall out your hand. So I just have it around my wrist to avoid any any problems, if you would. So to get it going, you've got the mechanical ball here, and you've got arrows to point in the direction, and this then begins this automated process. So to actually get it working as well, by the way, when you're first, so let's say it's all in neutral now, it won't work like this when you're trying to get the mechanics working. But if you lay it flat like this and you start rolling it, that's when it actually kicks in. So I guess there's some mechanisms there, sorry, working in the background. But yeah, once you get going, it's just a matter of rotating your wrists. I mean, you could do the salt bay or something. I don't know. It's just like wherever you're looking to work your muscles, the faster you go, the harder it works. And that's when you obviously need to grapple it harder to make sure you got it under control. And that's the whole point of actually getting the product to work. Like this, that's the whole motive of the product, like just to get the mechanics working. So, when you're rotating the ball here, the further you rotate it, the faster it will start. But you could just rotate a little bit and then start off slowly and then gradually build up. So it's really down to your liking. Um, I mean, I think it's just an efficient strength building tool. I find it very efficient. First of all, for the time and the convenience as well. Like literally, you can work out your fingers, your wrists, and certain parts of your arm depending on how you're, I guess, positioning your arms and the rotations. Like I've more focused more on my wrists and my grip strength in particular. So I focus mainly on just a straightforward rotation of the wrist, but there are other things you can possibly do with it as well. I just don't have the time to get around everywhere. Um, it's portable, it's lightweight, and easy to carry wherever you're going. So it's just a matter of me chucking it into my bag, or just even carry it in your pocket if you have to. I mean, I think it's a little bit heavy to carry in your pocket. I mean, you can carry it in your pocket, but I wouldn't carry it in my pocket. Like when I go to the office, sometimes I literally just chuck it into my bag. It The mechanical sound can be a bit annoying for some people, because obviously the more you build up momentum, the louder it gets. But my office is pretty chilled, and no one's caused any problem. In fact, someone actually bought one after seeing me use it as well. So it's down to your environment, I guess. But overall, it's definitely a product I would recommend. It's just a very simple product to use. And like I said, if you're like me and you're lacking time to go and do these isolated exercises in the gym, because my workout revolves more of a compact exercise where I work several muscles in one go, because I go early in the morning and then I have to come back and kick off work. Things like this can really help in isolation and help with the grip strength. it's definitely improved. I can feel improvements in my grip strength over the last 4 years that I've been over the last 4 months that I've been using it. Sorry. So it's definitely something that I would recommend if you're looking to improve your grip strength without expending too much time. Thank you for watching. If you did find this video helpful, please do give it a like and do consider subscribing if you're into product reviews, and drop a comment if you have any forearm workouts or grip, anything, any advice possibly about improving grip strength. If you've had any experiences with the gyro ball yourself, I know there are different modes of this. Like there are bigger balls, there's one with metal, and they all have different functions. So if you've encountered these and you have experiences that you wish to share, then please do drop it in the comments below. Any questions, drop it in the comments below. But other than that, have a good day and thank you for watching.